Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to today's vlog. Today I'm going to do something a little different. I've got a box that I'm going to unbox here, and I thought I'd film it and show you guys what I got. I actually bought something for myself, so let's see what happens here. Let's open it up and get it out. There's the power cord. And here we go. Ta-da! Epson EcoTank. Epson EcoTank. I got no damn directions, of course. I don't think I even have any printing paper. Might be something useful. Alright, so there it is. Let's see if it turns out to be a good one or not. Looks like it's full. Some of them anyway are. So let's take this in and plug it up. See what happens. There's a good look at it. It's got a scanner, feeder. It's in good shape, not scratched up or anything. Maybe it'll be a good one. So I will turn the camera back on here in a few minutes when I get it inside.
Overlapped wheels and went down just before we turned left up Wood Chip Hill, and then from Wood Chip Hill to the finish, the pace was just full gas. We got to the top and it was easy enough to sit in, but it was single file up until like 2K to go when you hit the first selection of single track. And it was really important to be in the top 5, probably top 3 wheels going into that first bit of single track. So you hit that, it's super tight, then you pop out and you single track, climb up through a big group of people, and this is all within about 2K to go, 1.5K to go. I was kind of just getting dangled there. I was sitting in 8th position, and the guy in front of me was at like maybe 4 or 5 bike lengths ahead, like 2 or 3 seconds, and it was all I could do to just kind of hang on. I had Jordan behind me and Brian Motter behind me, and I just kind of maintained that gap the whole way through the whole finish section. I just could not muster up the energy to get up there and insert myself further into that first group. Then we dropped down to the road that leads to the Icebreaker Hill, and it was just full gas again. I guess I burned too many matches.
I don't know about the color there, but wow, that's coming out blue. Alright folks, the printer is working except for the color part is still a little wonky. I need to figure that part out. But thanks for watching this video. Please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, please subscribe, and check back for more videos. Thanks for watching.